Researchers, teachers, and students, hello. Join us in an innovative technological journey that is the 3D printing technology, an extraordinary education tool. This is G5 Ultra, the most powerful brain 3D printer available. G5 Ultra printers trigger educational reform, providing scholars and students with a practical basis to realize visionary innovation. 3D printing technology unveils limitless possibilities for higher education, igniting unparalleled opportunities for innovation for your exploration. With G5 Ultra, you enjoy a complete freedom of design. 3D printing injects vivid and practical applications into the educational setting, fundamentally transforming traditional classroom teaching. Students are better prepared for the future, as G5 Ultra key to turning this belief into reality. So, seek solutions through PeelCrete, and let's explore the potential of 3D printing in education together.